You must see this silver 2011 Ford Escape Limited. This vehicle is powered by a gas V6 3.0L/181 engine with an automatic transmission and FWD. We priced this Ford Escape to sell quickly. You will find that his vehicle is loaded with options like P235/70R 16 all-season BSW tires, 16 bright machined aluminum wheels, body color front rear fascias, a mini space saver spare tire, roof rack with crossbars, chrome roof rail inserts, body color door handles, auto lamp headlamps, variable intermittent windshield wipers and a rear 2-speed wiper with washer. What are you waiting for? Come in for a test drive today. Be an informed buyer when making this purchase and review the Carfax history report now for free. You will notice that this vehicle only had one previous owner. Hear it roar. With a 6-cylinder engine, you'll have a rollicking good time when you start up the engine. Act fast. This offer will not last long.